this video, I will show you how to create this easy transition, so if you're interested, keep on watching. Create an adjustment layer. So go to the project, click on the new item and select adjustment layer. Then select OK and drag and drop the adjustment layer on top of the two clips. Make it 20 seconds long, or if you want the transition to be longer, you can also extend it. Next, go to the effects panel and type in Gaussian blur, then drag and drop it onto the adjustment layer. Now add the first keyframe at the beginning and leave it at 0. Then move to the middle and adjust the blur to 150. Add the last keyframe at the end and change the blur back to 0. You can extend the adjustment layer if it's too short. You can also play around with the keyframes by moving them closer or further apart, depending on your needs. And that's it. Now you have a smooth and easy transition.